everyone. My name is Pawan Rajput. I study in 9th standard at Vidyadhiraja High School and Junior College, Bhanduk East. Today I am here to talk about the 6 states of matter. As you all know, anything that occupies space and has mass or volume is called as matter. So everything around us is matter. Matter is made up of very tiny particles of atom and it exists in different states. The most basic states that are commonly known to us are solid, liquid, gases. But apart this, matter exists in three more states, namely plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate and a new form of matter called as fermionic condensate. We all know that solid has fixed shape and volume. The particles of solid are very tightly packed and can't move much. They vibrate about their mean position. The example of solid are wood, metal, rock, glass, brick, etc. While liquid has fixed volume but no defined shape. It takes the shape of container in which they are kept. The particles of liquid are less tightly packed than solid and can move freely. The example of liquid are water, milk, oil, vinegar, etc. Gases, at the other hand, they do not have fixed volume nor shape. Its particles are far away from each other and can move freely. The example of gas are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Whereas plasma are highly charged particles with extremely high kinetic energy. The electricity is used to ionize noble gas to make glowing size, which is essentially plasma. The example are the sun, stars, the Earth's ionosphere, lightning, etc. The Bose-Einstein condensate (BEC) was created in the year 1995 by using the combination of lasers and magnet. The two scientists, Eric Cornell and Carl Wieman, cooled a sample of rubidium, a highly reactive material, at almost 0 degree. At this low temperature, the molecular motion comes to stop. Since there was no kinetic energy between the atoms, they began to clump together. They were no longer a separate atom but became one superatom. The example for Bose-Einstein condensate are superfluids such as cooled liquid helium or superconductor like nucleons inside a neutron star. The fermionic condensate is a state of matter made in December 2003 by Deborah Jean and her team. The cloud of potassium and 40 atoms were cooled to a temperature less than millionth degree Celsius over absolute 0 degree, unlike Bose-Einstein condensates. They does not clump together but repel each other and came together in pair as state string. Chiral condensate is the example of fermionic condensate. Thank you.